Hello everyone. So we are looking at phase 5, chapter determinant, exercise 1, and we are starting from question number 1. So as we can see what the question is two determinants are given to us and we have to find the value of x. Now here the difference between determinant and matrix, there is no element to element matching here. So we have determinant is nothing but a number. So you have to find the value of this determinant basically, and then this determinant, and then equate the value. Only then it works. So first of all, how do we find the value of the determinant? We know this into this. So minus 8 minus 8. So this is the value of this determinant. And what is the value here? Minus 8 minus x squared. So just because this is the first question. So A1, A2, A3, A4. So the value of the determinant is given by A1 into A4 minus A2 into A3. This is just for 2 into 2. So if we just, this is x squared is equal to 8. That means x is equal to plus minus 2 root. Plus minus 2 root. So the only thing that has to be considered here is that we cannot do corresponding element matching here like we do in determinant. We have to find, matrices. So we have to find the value of determinant. And then we can proceed. Thank you.